Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a shark. Okay, so I'm going to start just kind of a little smiley face, a little swoosh. This is the back of the shark. This will be the mouth part, so I'm going to curve it down. Then I make a little V. See a sideways V. And then pick this up here, bring it back like that. This is gonna be where the tail is. He's kind of like diving down today. Do a little curved line here, curved line there, and then connect those two with the sideways smiley face. So that's kind of a curved line too. So I can help you visualize this a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and add the teeth. Just zigzag lines. And some zigzag lines here. I'm going to draw right in the middle. I'm going to draw a little V for my side fin. And then I'm going to draw a triangle point for my top dorsal fin. This is the one that warns us that it's coming. It shows through the water. So here, from here to here, here to here, I'm going to draw a line, but I'm going to curve, and I'm going to stop here and pick it up on the side and connect it. So watch this. Stop. And then I pick that up. So this is going to help you know, this is the belly, this is the back and the side. Draw an eyeball. And last but not least, just a little bit of gills so he can breathe in the water. Maybe you want to add a little fish. I'll show you how to draw like just a very simple fish. Oval, little triangle tail, a little triangle side fin, a little eyeball. How about some really fast lines so that we know he's trying to run away. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. Have fun adding a habitat to your shark.